Quick little video here of my little brother doing some back squats. He is 14, he'll be 15 here soon, and he's doing, I think, what is this, it's either 205, 205. You're just having him do sets of 5 here. So 1, 3, 2 more, 4, good. That 4th rep, it's funny, I actually told him, that 4th rep was probably his best rep, and what he told me is that was the hardest rep, and I was like, yeah, you got to depth, man. So overall, his technique I think looks pretty solid. I'd want him to get a little bit lower on the first 3 and the last repetition, but if you notice, he's bending his hips and knees basically simultaneously, sitting back into the squat, keeping equal pressure through his feet. His heels do come up a tiny bit towards the end, so maybe sitting back a tiny bit more. His torso is nice and upright. He comes up with his chest up so his back doesn't cave over. The high bar squat, that's kind of what we're looking for. And it overall looks good. If you notice his feet placement too, that's something that a lot of times beginners mess up on. His feet are just a little bit outside hip width. I like hip width, but his are just outside of hip width. Around there is going to be good. And not really much to say on this, just getting a little bit lower, controlling maybe a pinch down, so working on that tempo. Man, that 4th rep I just like the best, and that's what I would recommend, shooting for that 4th rep if you are back squatting too.